Stand up. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you. Sit down, please. How did you spend your holiday? Мерекелердің қалай тойландыңдар балалар? Демалыс күндері? What day is it today? Day? Today. Hands up, please. Today is. Date is it today? Date. Today is date. 17th of November. Okay, good. 17th of November. Okay, let's check our home task. Okay, what was your home task? I will go to you. You will answer my question. Okay? Let's. What was your home task? Stand up, please. Describe people. Okay. Describe people. Please. Let's come here.
This is my mother, Gulmira. She is 34. This is my father, Mirabek. He is 35. This is a photo of the wedding.
Okay, this is photo of their wedding. Good. Excellent. Next one. Let's. Okay, I answer to you. Okay, you will catch. Okay, come to here. Please come to here. Okay.
This is my grandmother, Aymen. She is 65. She is my mother's mother.
Okay, good job. Excellent. And come to here. Okay, thank you.
This is my mother, Myra. She is 33. This is my dad, father, Alibek. He is 35.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Good job. Let's please quickly. Okay. Be active. Okay.
This is my other version.
Okay. Good job. Thank you. Sit down, please. Please slide and the video. Please.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go,
Dear children, what about this video? What are they doing? Okay. What about this one? It's about what about this one? It's New Year. Okay. Today our lesson is about celebration. Yes. Okay. Celebration. Мерекелер and special days. Arnayı ерекше күндер. Okay. For this photo, I want to divide it into two groups. And what about this one? Okay? What about this one? First group is Happy Birthday. Second group is New Year. Okay? Please, I said group New Year and birthday. Let's do homework. Write down number 3. Write to your copybook. Please open your books. 54. Üçüncü tapsıman balalar gruppa boyu жұмыс жасаймыз. Дәптерімізге соны жасайыншы дұрыс. Use the correct combination. Сөздерді Лидия, сен мынау топтарды Тілім берген асыл, иә? Барлығын топ басшысы. Мына топтан әрсен тез дәптерімізді ашамыз, жазамыз, екінші тапсырманы тезірек боламыз. Üçüncü tapsımana quickly write down. When you finish, let's check our answer. Number 3. First, the first one. Check our task group. Number 1. People celebrate Christmas. Okay. People celebrate Christmas. Right. Thank you. Well. The next one, Amina.
Restaurants make pizzas.
Okay. Restaurants make pizza. Good job. The next one, Asian. I wear. I wear shoes. Good job. Next up, our class. Stand up. Let's sing a song. Okay, dear children, let's play bingo games. This is bingo games. Children, let's play bingo games. There are points you can choose from January to December. There are today hours, present simple, a new celebration quiz. Let's start from January. Okay, hands up, please. Come here.
The 7th month is July.
The 7th month is July. Right, you are right. 60. Okay. She
doesn't decorate our house.
Yeah, she doesn't decorate our house. The negative of present simple. Alright?
Yes.
Thank you. Sit down, please. Next one, Camila. Yes, restaurant makes pizza. It's cooperation. Verbs. Choose correct verbs. Thank you. Sit down, please. Amina. One is last one with Kuka. Hands up, please. Okay. Today we have the last one reflection. Okay? If the today lesson is interesting, you will start slide to the kiss. Onlar bununla sonları geçecek. Егер сабағым болса жақсы түсіндім десеңіз, all of things is clear for you. You should take this case чемоданға саласыздар. Ал енді ақпарат толық алмадым, анық емес, керек емес десеңдер, оны ет сақшыға саласыздар. Ayşat is 10, Karima is 8, Aybul is 9, be active, Asil is 8, Tomalay is 8. Class will be student